Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious saffron cream. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, saffron. Take a small pinch of saffron threads and gently crush them. Then, place them in a small bowl with about 2 tablespoons of warm milk or cream. Let this mixture steep for at least 15 minutes. This allows the saffron to release its beautiful color and rich aroma, creating a vibrant infusion for our cream. Next, we'll prepare the cream base. For the best results, chill a large mixing bowl and your electric mixer beaters in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. This helps the cream whip faster and hold its shape better. Pour 1 cup of cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, adjusting to your sweetness preference. Begin beating the cream on low speed, gradually increasing to medium until soft peaks form. Now it's time to bring in that wonderful saffron flavor. Once your whipped cream has reached soft peaks, gently pour the steeped saffron milk mixture into the bowl. Continue beating on medium speed until the cream forms stiff peaks and the saffron is evenly distributed, giving the cream a beautiful golden hue. Be careful not to overmix, as this can cause the cream to become grainy. Your saffron cream is almost ready. For the best flavor and texture, transfer the cream to a serving bowl and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. This luscious and fragrant saffron cream pairs exceptionally well with cakes, pastries, fresh fruits, or even hot beverages. Store any leftover cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.